So today we're going to be taking a look at the best clear and frosted cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, a lot of these cases also come for the 17 Pro, so if you have a Pro, don't worry, there's probably a case for you as well. Now, one thing before we get started, this video is not sponsored by anybody. All thoughts and opinions are my own, and none of these brands know that I'm actually making this video. They find out as soon as you guys find out. And also, there is no particular order here. The first one that you guys see is not the best, nor is the last one that you guys see. These are just my favorite and what I think are the best clear and frosted cases. Now, all links to all cases, as well as discount codes, and if I made a video on it, are all down in the description below if you guys are interested in checking that out. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, starting off hot, we have the Rhinoshield Clear. Now, this is their clear case. This is not the Clear X case. The reason I didn't do the Clear X is because it does not actually have a camera control button, which is not something I am a huge fan of. But the Rhinoshield Clear, you guys know this case, man. It's been around for a while, and it's a heavy hitter. So you are getting a fully polycarbonate case going around the sides and the back. The camera plateau is also polycarbonate. On the inside, same thing. You do get the polycarbonate going all the way around the inside of the case, as well as standalone plastic, but very clicky and replaceable buttons. And you know we got to have a camera control button as well. So let's go ahead and bring over the 17 Pro Max. We got the Cosmic Orange, and all these cases are going to look good with your orange, with your blue, and your silver. But anyways, putting this case on, man, one thing you know about a Rhinoshield case is that you are going to get a really good fit on this case. I did do a full review on this case, as well as all these other ones that you guys see, so I'm not going to run through all that, but just know you're getting a great fit all the way around. Bringing over, taking screenshots, all types of stuff, man. What am I doing here? Bringing over the microfiber. Let's take a look at that screen protection. I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector throughout this entire video so you guys can see, and you're getting some screen lip on this case. If you guys can see right there, you do definitely get some screen lip on this one, so you can set this down just about any surface, you'll be good. Same thing when it comes to your camera plateau right there. You get a good amount of protection, so whichever way you set this down. Now, one thing about it, just like a lot of these other cases, it's a clear case, so you are going to get some scratches and stuff like that, especially because it's polycarbonate here on the back. So if that bothers you, maybe a frosted version, which they also do have of this case. They have a regular frosted and a darker frosted case. So if fully clear isn't your thing, you can obviously get a frosted version instead. You're getting a good feel on this. There's no real added grip on the sides of this case, which is the one thing I do wish they would add, but I don't find this case too slippery anymore. I come back to this case sometimes, and it checks a lot of the boxes, guys. I mean, just listen to that fit, man. This thing is insanely tight on the phone, but it's not so tight to the point where you'll be worried about scratching your phone or damaging it, taking it off. One thing, if you guys see, let me turn the screen off. Look at how far out these buttons protrude. These buttons work really, really well. You can easily feel them and click them. Everything about it is great. Of course, you know we have to test out that MagSafe. And one thing about Rhinoshield, man, they're going to have really good MagSafe strength when it comes to their cases. You'll be fine with all your nightstand chargers, your car mounts, all that stuff. You are going to be good to go. So yeah, man, the Rhinoshield Clear case is a solid clear option. It's not extremely expensive. It's a good case. It's going to give you some protection as well as showing off the beautiful color of your phone. So yes, the Rhinoshield Clear case had to be on the best clear frosted case list. Now, next up is a good frosted option. If you guys can see, this is a frosted case, and this is going to be the Torras Q3 Air. Now, this is a case, it does have the kickstand built in, 360-degree rotating kickstand. That works really, really well. I showed off a lot about it in my review, which is down in the description below. But just know, man, Torras has probably the best kickstand in the entire game when it comes to kickstand. So yes, you are getting a polycarbonate back here, TPU sides with this nice grip going around. You do get plastic interchangeable standalone buttons, so I really do like that. You're getting some shock absorption with this case around the corners, the top and the bottom, everywhere right here with the Torras air cushion technology. And all around, man, it's a really solid case. Now, it's going to be a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, if you guys can see right there, but I love that this is frosted. One thing about Torras also is they come in a ton of colors. They're always releasing new colors, new themes. They have like a World Cup one. They had a Christmas one. They have an orange one for the orange phone itself. I decided to go with the blue one for the video. But they have black, orange, blue, all types of different colors. So you can really find your favorite color and what'll look best with your phone. But that's the back of it. The inside of the back is polycarbonate. Around the sides, you're going to get that air cushion technology going around. Of course, camera control button. All these cases are going to have a great camera control button. Do not worry about it. If you see it down in the description below, watch my video on it. You'll see I test every single one of these. I test the camera control button in. So I'm not even going to test that in the video. Just know they all have a rock solid camera control button. But yes, that is going to be that. Let's go ahead and bring over the Q3 Air or the iPhone. Put that in, great click on there, very good fit, man. Nothing to complain about whatsoever with this case. The only issue is you do get a very, very slight screen lip on here. I would have loved to see this get a little tiny bit more of a screen lip. I think that would have really set it off, but you can set this down on flat surfaces, you'll be fine. If you guys can see there with the camera plateau, pretty good right there. So set it on whatever surfaces you want. And yes, we got to bring over the MagSafe. The only thing about a case like this is you are going to experience something like that when you do use MagSafe. If you are using, you're obviously picking it up, but just using it just like this, it's perfectly fine. And you can even give it a little bit of a shake before that comes off. But yes, that's the thing about ring stand cases. If you're a MagSafe user and use like a phone grip or something, just be a little bit careful with that. But otherwise, your nightstand chargers, your car mounts, your battery packs, your wallets, all that is going to work just fine with a case like this. You'll have absolutely no issues. And of course, just like that said, it has that nice kickstand. Go ahead and it gives you pretty much whatever angle you want, turn it, and you're fine. So really, really nice case. I love the grips on the sides of it. Very comfortable to use. In previous generations, the bottom was a little too sharp for me, but this year, something about it, they had refined it a little bit, and it's not very sharp at all holding it. All these cases are going to be very comfortable to use, very comfortable to hold. Otherwise, they would not be on my list. But yes, this is what we're going to be looking like when it comes to the Torras Q3 Air on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm a really big fan so far. If you guys saw my top 10, you saw that the Q3 Air was in that video. And who knows, it might even be in the next version, which by the way, my new top 10 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max Part 2 is coming very, very soon. So make sure you get subscribed to the channel for that, because there's some changes coming to that video that you guys may or may not expect. So definitely stay tuned to that. But yes, the Torras Q3 Air, great frosted option, comes in a ton of colors. Very good case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Had to be on this list. Now next, bringing in another clear option, we are taking a look at the Dbrand Ghost. Now a few months ago, they did update the Dbrand Ghost with a couple of things. Number one, they gave us an orange color and a blue. Of course, I had to go with the orange because of the orange iPhone, but I do have the blue as well. Both are really, really good cases. That's one thing. And two, they fixed the camera control button. Before on the Dbrand Ghost 2.0, the button was a little bit questionable. Now they fixed it. It's been a few months and it is really, really good. So yes, Dbrand Ghost, great clear option. One thing when Dbrand says this case will never yellow, they stand by that. If something ever happens to it, if it ever yellows, reach out to them. They'll send you a brand new one for free, but they guarantee that it will never yellow. So that's really nice. Very good protection around this case, except for one area, which we will talk about. You are here getting an individual cutout camera plateau. You do get your MagSafe alignment magnets there, polycarbonate on the back, and you get TPU sides, TPU buttons, but grip going all the way around the sides and the top of the case. The bottom, you don't get any, but it is what it is. You do get some on the corners there. Let's go ahead and bring over the 17 Pro Max, put it in here. Good click on there. Great fit when it comes to the Ghost. Top, bottom, everything is really, really good. Looking at the screen and camera protection, this is my issue when it comes to this case, is there's barely any screen lip. Dbrand, I hope with the 18 series, we get a little more screen lip on this case. Otherwise, it is really, really good. But yes, barely any screen lip, so be very careful setting this down only on flat surfaces. But you come to your camera plateau and you get some nice protection all the way around on the camera plateau, so you can set that on whatever surface you want and you will be fine. Again, clear case, so they say it's scratch resistant, but no clear case is scratch proof, so just be careful. You may get a little bit of scratching on here. So far, mine is looking pretty good. I don't see really any scratching on this case, so big fan of that. The buttons are good. Everything is good. The camera control button, of course, got to bring over the MagSafe. Dbrand, good MagSafe. I mean, yeah, all your accessories, everything is going to work just fine when it comes to this case. You'll have absolutely no issues. So yeah, all around, man, very comfortable to hold. Great grip on this case. Good buttons, great camera control, great MagSafe. Really not much more you could want from a case except just a screen lip. But definitely had to put the Dbrand Ghost 2.0, at least the newer versions, on the best clear frosted case list for the 17 Pro Max. All right, next we have the Caudabe Synthesis Frost. This case is going to come in this black frosted and an abyss blue if you guys are interested in that. But yes, this is going to be the black frosted one. You are getting a very nice frosted back on this one here. MagSafe alignment magnet. Very, very tiny Caudabe logo right there. No big deal. polycarbonate camera plateau. On the inside, same thing, polycarbonate here, TPU going around the sides on the outside and inside. That is Caudabe's Shocklite polymer, so it's gonna give you a little bit more drop protection than your regular everyday TPU. You get standalone replaceable buttons on this case, so you can switch them out to whatever you want. On Caudabe's website, they have a bunch of different color options you can choose from. Grips up and down on the sides here, love that. Caudabe has really good grips when it comes to the synthesis frost, these little micro dots. They're great. Of course, a great camera control button. And let's go ahead and bring over the iPhone and see what that's gonna look like on here. Good fit on here, man. Solid, top, bottom, everything is very good. Screen protection, of course, we're gonna get some right there with Caudabe's synthesis, so set that down on just about any surface, you'll be fine. Camera plateau, you get a pretty decent camera plateau on here. So again, you can set this down on most surfaces and you'll be fine. The frosting could end up scratching up if you rub it on your surfaces, whatever, too much, so just be mindful of that. But yeah, this is what we're looking like, guys. We'll go ahead and bring over our Anker 623, give that a shake, and you guys know, man, Caudabe's got some good MagSafe on here, so you'll be fine with all of your accessories, just like any other cases. Very comfortable to hold, MagSafe, buttons, fit, screen, camera protection, all that, everything is really good. So very big fan of the Caudabe Synthesis Frost, and it absolutely had to be in the best clear frosted case list. And last but definitely not least, we have the FLOLAB Surtect. This is probably going to be the most versatile clear frosted case that you can get. Here I have the black clear version. So what you're getting on here is a black camera plateau, black sides, and a black MagSafe ring on the clear case. They have black clear, black frosted, white and black, white frosted, white clear. They have so many different options. Check out my video in the description. You guys will see all of them. These cases are the most versatile clear case. You can change the buttons. They are standalone. They're nice and clicky. You can change them to whatever color. The camera plateau changes to whatever color, so you can match that to your buttons. All that is interchangeable. You are getting a pretty good screen lip when it comes to this case. Set that down on most surfaces, you'll be fine. Camera plateau is pretty decent as well. So again, set that down, but be careful of the back. It may scratch up whether you have a clear or a frosted version. Just be careful of that. But either way, this is one of those cases. It's going to give you, first of all, it's very friendly on the wallet, not extremely expensive at all. You're getting great drop protection with this case. Very nice look. You can customize this case. I can't even stress it enough. If you have the silver, you want white, get more white. You want some black and some white, you have that option. You have some black, whatever colors you want. You have so many options with this case that I really, really enjoy having that. It fits really well. It's got great grip around the sides. Even though there's no actual added grips on here, it's still nice and grippy, feels really good, extremely comfortable, not too heavy, not too thick. This case is just right. I had to add this on the list, man, because it checks so many of the boxes. You're getting great fit, great buttons, great protection, all that. Of course, got to test out the MagSafe. Great MagSafe strength on this case. Really nothing at all to complain about when it comes to this case. I'm sitting here while I'm talking to you guys making this video thinking of something to complain about, and there's absolutely nothing. This is a fantastic case. I can recommend all these cases, but I can definitely recommend this case as well because of the value, and all that you're getting with this case is very, very hard to beat. So yes, the FLOLAB Surtect is 1000% on the best clear frosted case list. So there you guys have it. That is my favorite, what I think are the best clear frosted cases that you can get for the 17 Pro Max. Like I said, all links are in the description. If I made a video, that's in the description, which I believe I have a video for every one of these cases. All that is down there, as well as discount codes. Save yourself a couple of bucks. But yeah, guys, that has been it. Let me know what you think about the list in the comments below. Are any of these cases on your list? And if not, what are your favorite clear or frosted cases for the 17 Pro Max? Now, if you guys want to see my top 10 case list, the best 10 cases you can buy, I'm going to leave that video right here. But if you guys want to see the best cases for the orange iPhone 17 Pro Max, I'll leave that video right here.